Hey guys, welcome to Phone Transformer. Today I'll show you how to scan documents using your iPhone without installing any extra app. First, open the Notes app on your iPhone. Then tap the Compose button in the bottom right corner. Tap the attachment icon and choose Scan Documents. Now I'll use a book as an example. Simply point your camera at the documents and your iPhone will automatically detect and scan it. Once you are happy with the scan, save it. There's another way to scan document as well. Go back, open the Mail app on your iPhone and tap the Compose button. I'll just enter a random email address, for example, and type PDF as a subject. Then tap inside the message area, select the attachment option and choose Scan Documents. Now scan your documents the same way by pointing your camera at it. Your iPhone will automatically detect the documents and create the scan for you. And that's it. That's how you can scan documents on your iPhone without downloading any additional apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.